In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a survey on Google Forms. Whether you're collecting feedback, running a quick poll, gathering customer opinions, or you simply want an easy way to create a clean and professional questionnaire, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Forms and hit enter. It's usually the very first result. Click on it, and once the page opens, you'll see the option to start a new form. You can choose a template if you want something pre-designed, but I recommend using blank form for full control and a clean start. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Once the blank form opens, you can start setting up your survey. At the top, give your form a title something like Customer Survey or Feedback Questionnaire. You can also add a small description under it explaining what the survey is about or who it's for. This helps your participants understand the purpose right away. Next, you'll see the first default question. Click on the text area to type your question. For this example, let's say you want to ask about gender. Type the question, then from the drop-down on the right, choose the question type, in this case, multiple choice. Add your answer options like male, female, or even other. If the question is important, toggle on the required button so people must answer it before submitting. To add another question, click the plus icon on the right side. Let's say the next question is about collecting their email. Choose short answer from the drop-down and label it email address. Again, turn on required if you need every respondent to provide their email. Now, let's add a more detailed question. Click Add Question again and select Paragraph. Here you can ask something like, please explain your experience in detail, or share your suggestions with us. This gives your participants room to type longer answers. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. If you notice Google Forms automatically adding an email field at the top and you don't want it, go to Settings, then Form Defaults, and turn off Collect Email Addresses by default. Doing this beforehand keeps your form clean and organized. Once you've added all your questions, you can customize your form's appearance. Click on Customize Theme in the top right. Here you can change the header image, choose new colors, or adjust the font style. A nicely styled form gives your survey a more professional look. When you're ready to preview your survey, click the eye icon at the top right. This lets you see exactly what your participants will see. If everything looks good, click on Send. You can send your survey by email or click the link icon to generate a shareable link. You can even shorten the link to make it easier to copy and share. And once people start submitting responses, just click on the Responses tab at the top of your form. You'll see every answer neatly organized, and you can even export them to Google Sheets for deeper analysis. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to make a survey on Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?